Wow.
I'm like anxious. Okay, let me get in.
What are we gonna do?
Oh my gosh, if you remember last year when I said I wanted to go brown, but I was too scared, I think we're dyeing my hair brown today.
When's the last time you've been brown?
Probably when I was like 16. Color-wise, something like that even. I just want to look like my mom. Look how cute she is! From the 80s with her like brown hair.
It actually looks so much alike.
I know.
I love how it has like dimension.
Yeah, I feel like warmth is what I've realized with being red for so long. Is like I'm definitely better with like warmth around my face.
Like you've told everyone.
Yeah, my friends know, and then online people are like, you can't get rid of the red hair. I'm like, you gotta trust. You gotta trust.
How many years has it been red?
Like 3 or 4. I'm just ready for a change. Change is a good thing.
Yeah.
It's important.
It's really right now like strawberry blonde.
I know.
I'm ready to change it up.
Yeah, I've wanted to do it for a really long time.
What do you think about, I'm gonna show you 2 different lengths, but
Okay.
I mean, are you kind of thinking like 18?
Probably. I feel like it's normally kind of what I
think so.
I'm like a short torso, so it quite feels long usually as is. The hair extensions are nice because I kind of like start to visualize like what do I think around my face looks.
Yeah.
Because it's like what looks good with no makeup on too. Do you know what I mean? So you're like, oh, only when my makeup's done do I like this.
Yeah.
And then that's always like hard. It's like so weird.
Like I feel like definitely more dimension.
Yeah.
But I just feel like it's gonna be such a fun. That's a really cute one.
Yeah, I was like, Daddy, I don't even know how it necessarily is different than this one, but you can tell it is. Like, this is just like a little bit softer.
Yeah. We can still warm this up.
You're right, yeah.
But
Yeah.
it has the depth of the dark.
Yeah. Ooh. Wait.
Cute.
I kind of like that one.
You can even richen that up a
Right,
little more.
yeah, you
and then
can.
when it fades,
Right.
it fades good with your stuff. That really cute.
I really, really like this one. Even with no makeup, I feel like it's good. Love, love. Oh my gosh. Get it. Oh my goodness.
Wait, what color were you before your red?
Blonde.
Okay.
Yeah, different
think
versions of
it's
blonde. Like kind of like sometimes I would be like a little bit of a darker, like root, like bronzy, but then like platinum as well. Just blonde my whole life, pretty much.
Was it so scary when you were the person?
It wasn't the time because I was ready again. I feel like I'm just one of these people like when I know it's time, there's like no, I'm not actually worried about it. Like I know that it's like the right thing. And I thought it'd only be maybe for like half a year, maybe a year just for fun, and then go brown, and then it's like years and years and years of red. So. The color process is done. We have foils, a million different formulas they did. I had a lot of color to correct. Bands of old color. So, it was a labor of love, but we are marinating now. I feel like I'm starting to see the brown around my face, and I'm very excited. We're doing some toning all over. Girls, how are we feeling?
Good.
Oh my God, this is the craziest, even wet. So good. Love it.
I'm actually dead.
I can't handle it. I don't think this is me. Look at the colors.
It really is the perfect brown.
Look at that color. Look at the richness, the depth.
Wow. Okay, that's actually insane.
That's insane. I used to have such thick bangs, like Zoe Chanel vibes back in the day, you know? They were really fun.
Yep.
But they're harder to grow out.
I know. It's just like so thick. And then if there's not as many, then you can just hide them if you want.
Exactly.
Like cute.
Yeah, this is now shorter. This is better and it's a little bit softer. Yeah, that was really good. That was like really long before.
Yeah.
So
cute.
Look at that.
It really is such a good brown.
Wow.
You guys really killed it.
That's really cute.
Oh my gosh, you guys! Can you believe this is even me? Look how good this looks. The bangs, the layers, the color. Look at how rich it is. It's literally exactly what I was wanting. I cannot believe it. This is not real.